TGIF. Happy Friday, everyone. Whoo-wee, what a week we've had. We've had good days, we've had bad days, we've had ugly days. And guess what? We started off with some technical difficulties this morning. The first stop I had was like a mild picker. It's that house that had the older stuff. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open up this one on camera, but let's take a look at some of these things that I didn't realize that the camera wasn't on. So I've got some old paper for my paper people, some New Jersey maps, some Pack-O Fun from the 70s, some easy scrapbook ideas, an old booklet. Look at that. Centerpiece of In Favors. So these are some old like pamphlets. I got this, I don't even know what this is. It's like a lunchbox kit, I think. It has a thermos. I don't know, it just looked vintage. We'll see if that's anything good or not. And then I got this old Sunbeam hand mixer. These look very vintage, is why I took these. I mean, look at this guy. He's chrome and pretty. We can sell that to somebody that's trying to do that needs props for their movie set. We got this USA 10, which I think someone would like. It's from Peanut Crunch. I don't see a date on it, but I think that's pretty old too. We got some old wooden clips. We got this, which I think is brass or copper, one of the two. Let's check real quick. I didn't even check when I was there. Yeah, probably copper. Probably copper. And then we got this guy here, which is like, I don't know, it looks vintage. The box at least does. I don't know, we'll have to figure out how to look it up. But I took it, it's like a teapot from Avant-Garde collection in Japan. Tells me that might be kind of nice. And then look at this, two more things. This Play School guy, look at this, is an old Play School box. And this is an old wooden crib roller. That's probably a choking hazard. and these beads. But I'm thinking these things are vintage. The rest of the crap in here was already in there. Oh, we forgot, we gotta get something. I don't even know what is in this box. The box is brand new. Brand new, unopened, in the garbage. So, and it's marked fragile. So let's open up our treasure and find out what we got. Brand new in the garbage, and we've got, looks like maybe poles. How is that fragile? And it's got little fancy ends on it. I don't know what that is. We'll have to look further. Probably says on this. Let's I'll do this off camera and I'll let you know what the packing receipt says with the people's names and such on. I'll put it in my pocket and we'll talk about it at next stop. But let's finish getting our junks here. So I'm really sorry my camera goofed up, because that would have been a pretty nice pick and fun. It was fun. Don't get me wrong, it was fun. Are you plastic? Oh, you are. He's plastic. That's why you were left behind, brother. Umbrella's not, though. So let's get out and about and see if we can make something out of this Friday. All right, we're kicking off early. I didn't even see that fan. I saw this thing propped up, whatever it is. An old flat top. We got ourselves a fan, too. And you know it, guys. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So take this moment to kick off the day early with one of our ceiling fans. I don't think we've had one in a couple of days. Smash that like button. Hashtag fan of a fan. I was kind of hoping that was going to be metal, but it's a plastic drawer holder without the drawers. We'll take a waka though. It won't fold up. That's kind of different. Chwink. Oh, hey, Macaweva. Get ourselves a microwave. Boink. I won't keep you in because we're gonna slide up here. There's a desk taken apart up here. How nice is that? Thank you, kind sir. Taking the wood off, making the life easy for me. Oh, maybe they got some more junks. Love when people are outside. Unlike Paul. Morning. How are you today? Good. You don't mind if I take this metal, do you? No, I can't take this because this is wood, but I can take the metal. I'm recycling the metal. All right. Thank you. Yeah, I know. I wish I had more space. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right, mind the mowers. I'm grabbing this. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll take those. Sure. So I think the average person, I don't know if you guys heard that guy or not, he said, but that desk is still good. I think we're all pretty much hoarders. Desk is still good, but he's throwing it away. And this gentleman's gonna give me some measure blades.
Get my buddy to help me. No, he's not giving my blades for Why are you holding them for? They're still good. They're still good. They're still good. No, that bin's broken. Shit.
I might have a bin. Let me see if I got some. I got some. I definitely have a bin, but. So, your gas mileage will improve. Yeah, we always go too fast. I had a guy yesterday. He's like, I tried to flag you down, but you were gone too fast. He actually caught me later on in the day. Beautiful.
I bought them for $2 a piece. I give them to you for.
Hey, you want some more? Yeah, I actually think I might have some. I might be able to give you a fair trade.
Yeah?
I think I might. Let me see if I still have them. I picked up mower blade. I got blades from a guy the other day. Yeah. I'll give you a fair trade if I've still got them. Ooh. Oh, I do. Whoa. That one's used. Fair trade, right? Hey, no worries, man. So, I was talking about the hoarder. So, there's people like my mother-in-law who loves to buy stuff, but has no qualms about purging stuff either. And then there's my mom who loves to collect stuff and won't let go of anything. Like that guy who's like, he probably had that in his garage for a month because it's still a good desk. And even when it's in the garbage, like all these people that want to explain how things work and whatever, it's garbage. We're just trying to recycle it, man. So we're all hoarders. Deal with it. All right. Got ourselves a huge iron. So I gave that guy, that one person I told you about earlier this week that was with a young child, a push car that I didn't film. He gave me a box and it had half used blades, half spent blades, or I'm sorry, half spent blades, half new blades in it. And that guy said he was paying $2 a piece for those. He's like, I'll give you a deal though. So he had some good karma put out there by saying, hey, would you like this? I just gave him his good karma right back. And I truly believe in that throw out the goodness and eventually it will find its way back to you. So be positive, be nice to people, and the world will be a whole lot better of a place. Let's go! I don't know, this is a lot of stuff, but it's mostly in bags and such. I don't want to really make too big of a mess. I'm going to see if I can find anything without making too much more of a mess. Oh, there's some metals. Oh gosh, you're not going to come out. I'll have to dig you out. All right, we're going to get to that. Ooh, there's glass all over the place here too. I cheat. Whoa, how do we get to those chairs? Oh, we're going to have to go from the back, I guess. That's where I'm at. Ooh, there's glass down there too. Oh, there's a refrigerator in there. There's a refrigerator in there. Lift your wood over. Yeah, there's a lot of food in here. A lot of food in here. Please don't have stuff in the refrigerator. Ooh, that mirror's already broken. Yeah, that's staying. That's why it's still here. It's got stuff in it. Gross. Gross. Can I get to these chairs? That was the question. Is there more than one or just one? As many bugs as there are over here. I'm calling this one quits, guys. Quitsville. Yeah, there's food. We'll take this as our consolation prize. This little piece of metal. Refrigerator's nasty. And that chair, it's just not doing it today. Have you ever seen such a thing? This is a busted pop-up that's like, look how organized it is. But it's busted. It's like they broke it into sections or something, man. I don't know that I've ever seen that before. An organized, broken pop-up. I like it. Yeah. We'll regret not being tidy later on when we find that refrigerator. But until then, we'll enjoy it. There's a piece of wire. Maybe a hose. I don't know. We'll have to look at it later. Onward. Not our home run, but it's what we're working with today, man. Look how beat up that guy is. Yuck. But I've done seen a light and some poles in here. What's that? What's in the toolbox? Come on, tools. Oh, that's a little microscope though. That's gonna be it, I think, guys. Yes, sirree, Bob. Hi, Bob. All right, let's go. I thought it was all wood, but I think this one's metal. Oh, there's a sink on there too. Sweet. Oh yeah, you're heavy too. Wow. We'll take this for sure. Probably doubled our weight with this one. Oosh. Not that saying much, but I'll take a faucet too. Oh, come on, man. Why you want that kind of faucet? I'm gonna have to speed this up for you guys. pipe wrench. What? He used a pipe wrench the real way. Yeah, he did. Come on, right, coming out. Come through. There we go. Surprise, surprise. Pipe wrench to the rescue. Still getting Christmas. This one's beat up, and this is not much, but beggars cannot be choosers. Get in my trailer. One more piece. Oh, I stopped and there was a TV set, and I was going to do a new test. Drill was dead after the second screw, so then I hand unscrewed the rest of them. Didn't have a yoke in it, and it was too new. It had like, not boards, but like big old chunky chunks in the back of it. So failed. What's up?
Chilling. Another day, another dollar, man.
Another day, another dollar. You still grub hubbing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Doing everything.
Hustling.
I'm tired.
How's your neck?
I'm so sleepy.
Yeah. Your neck better yet, or no?
I was asleep. Huh?
Is your neck better yet?
No, I mean, a little bit. But I'm taking pain meds. So
Yeah.
it's my back. I got slip disc and everything.
Really?
Because of that accident.
That's horrible.
Yeah, so I'm supposed to get back about 50 grand.
Really?
That's the max for Geico. I can't
Right.
believe it. I was like, that's it.
That just covers medical bills,
Right,
basically.
Right, pretty much.
Yeah.
That's it. And the lawyer fee.
Yeah. That's crazy.
But it is what it is.
I feel you, man. Enjoy your weekend, my
Yeah,
friend.
man, you too. I hope you find all.
I ain't finding a squat. It's been slow this week,
I know,
man.
It has been.
Slow. Have a good weekend, brother. Yeah, there's competition at every place. Oh, look at that. There's medals right there for me. You guys are the competition. Taking my medals. This is about all I'm finding is little scraps like this. Hey, have a great weekend, man. And some more Christmas. I tell you, man, there is being dispersed this week. Oosh. Let's see if we can punt it into the car. Ready? Oh, yeah. Ah, missed. I'm gonna try again. Try left footed. Ready? Oh, that's good. Gotta make it. Gotta keep it fun. Gotta keep it fun. Especially when it's slow. We're gonna find a spot though. This spot's pretty good though. Got some chairs, got some vases. Alright, let's move. What's in the box? Here's the peacock. This is pool stuff, I think. This is wire. You're connected to a pump someplace. I know you are. Come on, pump. Oh, I don't want all this hose, I guess, though. You're not hooked up to the pool, are you? Let's see. I think that's going to be it. I think the rest of it's the pool. Yep. Onward. Think it works? I don't think it does. Got the battery in here still? Well, this doesn't even go to that. It's a Ryoba charger, but this is a plug-in. Plug it in. It works. Are you kid, I kid. Alrighty guys, we're here at the, what's left of the yard. It is stuffed in here. They got all kind of cars in here. I guess the crusher has been down. We went back to the house, picked up some tidbits. Dismal day again today. We didn't even break stuff down. We just picked up some extra bits. And we're still not gonna have too crazy of a day, even after picking up a couple extras. I still need to get clippers out of my car. Got Mikey down there. This big old load. Comparatively speaking, at least. Oh. Man, look at all this stuff in here. Got some weights at the house to try to help us get some weight. That we want to get the regulator on. There, that was a DVD player. This is a bike thing that has not sold yet, so it's going. Christmas. I didn't pick up any non-ferrous. I did start to take down some non-ferrous, but I did not bring it. I want to have a nice chunky non-ferrous, I think, next Friday. Do it once every 2, 3, 4 weeks or so. It's been a while since we've done it, but just didn't have it ready. And I was trying to meet up with Big Bad Packer Scrapper, because made him more signs for his truck. Told him I'd meet him up here shortly after lunch. It's from the backyard. Aluminum chair. Why it's in the backyard, I don't know. This one looks aluminum, doesn't it? It does. Magnet. It is. I didn't even know that when I picked it up. And this one's gonna be aluminum too. Oh, that's nice. That's a bonus I didn't even know about. Shrink. Got a couple chairs that were in the backyard. These were ones I considered for an office chair. I just forgot to check these. Yeah, they are going to be aluminum. I thought they would. Do we need to smash that off of there? Oh my gosh. Some nice weight. We definitely did well on those. Yeah, that's... It's not glass, it's metal, I swear! What's that? I thought I was going back to the hospital. I dropped that ladder flat right across the foot. I walked about 3 blocks trying to walk it off. Man, you need to get yourself a frequent flyer card. Hey, that's genetics for you, you know. Come on, get off of there. Let my chair go. Thank you. That's gonna be aluminum. Oh, I don't know whether I mentioned it or not. Hey, you as well, Mom. You as well. So, this thing here, this is a... Take that, truck! This is a what's it called? A curtain rod. A fancy curtain rod. $40 new. She bought it in 2006. Let's see what she looks like. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think it's aluminum. These are definitely not aluminum. I can tell by sound. I need to get some clippers for that. You guys have seen this other stuff, so we're just gonna see it for a little bit over at Jeffy's. These chairs are gonna go, and then I'm gonna cut the wires, take care of my microwave, and those sinks, and this fan. Yeah, I sound like Steve Martin from The Jerk, where he's like, all I need is this remote control and this, and he keeps mentioning things. So, but anywho's, we'll see you over at Jeffy's. Well, let's do a little NFJ. Shwink. Man, it is clean out in here. Dude, it's been horrible.
The whole week's been a drought.
Yesterday was all right. Yesterday, I'll take yesterday, but man. And like a decent portion of what I had was from the house. Like I was gonna take these apart, but then I left my tools at the house. I didn't do anything with those.
Hey, Matt.
Hey, Jeff.
I was driving down the road and saw a food stand on the side of the road.
A food stand?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's a lobster tail for $2.
Okay.
I decided to stop. He paid me $2, and the guy's like, "Once upon a time, there was a lobster."
Oh man, really?
Oh man.
Really? That rim's gonna do me like that?
Oh, Jacob sent me 17 cents.
So far?
So far.
Hey.
He said it updates every 2 days.
No, it doesn't.
No?
No.
Daily?
No. It updates like super sporadically. Like sometimes it'll be like all of a sudden you're caught up and it'll have all the stats up until like the day before. Yeah. And sometimes it's like a week where like my last update I think was on the 5th.
Oh wow.
I have no stats prior to the 5th or after the 5th. Yeah. Okay. Hey, if it's an opportunity to make money, I'll consider it.
Stopped on a whammy. 6,749.
Better than I would have thought.
May or may not want to come back around. Well, let me grab this one. You have to double check.
But you're not giving me aluminum? No, that's copper.
Those are all copper.
I'll give those a whirl. I'll give them a whirl.
Yeah.
Give me those 4.
Just come back around.
I'll come back around. Give me a weight.
Yeah.
Pay you? Should I check out or no?
Yeah, I'd check out.
All right, I'll check out and come around. All right, you saw those. Those are like big old transformers that we can break down and get the copper out of them. The going rate is, I think, 28 cents a pound on those. couple 100 pounds probably, so it's gonna cost me what I made today basically. I'll buy those and hopefully increase my money on Monday. All right, let's go get checked out. Alrighty guys, we're waiting paid. What a rough week we've had. Wow. And that's not just me, it's everybody. I've talked to both Mike and Kev were at the yard today, and talked to the people at the yard, and it's just been, it's been tough. The streets have been, I don't know if it's just super competitive or whether it's just low in scrap, because Mike even said he looked back at his last year's number and he was killing it right now. So pretty weird. I don't know. We're just gonna cross our fingers and hope next week's better. So I'm not too horrible about today. We actually made more money than I thought we were gonna make today, because we did not have much in there. We did pick up some tidbits from the house, which helped us kind of bulk up the load a little bit. It wasn't like we crushed it though. We just took a handful of things from the yard. We had a handful of things from the street. Let's jump into this receipt. Tin, 640 pounds. I probably would say we did probably under 500 pounds on the road. But it was 640 once we picked up some bits and went in there, so that's 5120. Sealed unit came off the little fridge. 8 pounds, 15 cents a pound for $1.20. Electric motor out of the microwave, 11 pounds, 15 cents a pound, $1.65. And some iron light, we had a lot of that. We had the chairs, those are from the side yard. 2 of the chairs were from that one garbage bin. We had the trucks off of the skateboard. I think that's it. 48 pounds, 28 cents a pound for $13.44 for a grand total of $67.49. So not horrible. I mean, I'll round that and say it's 70 bucks. We're probably going to spend that here at the yard, because I'm going to try to, I'm doubling down. I'll buy those transformers, strip those over the weekend, and hopefully increase our value. Because it's when you do stuff like that, it's just time for money. So I'm hoping that those strip fairly easily. Cross my fingers. They look very similar to a microwave, and the microwave ones aren't too tough. So I'm hoping they break down as easy. Only one way to find out, right? So hope you enjoyed the run. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. We are off until Monday. So be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you all on Monday.